This underrated product makes $3,500 every week and has almost no competition. In today's video, I will show you how you can replicate this business with the help of ChatGPT AI. From finding ideas and improving our product based on AI calculations. And keep watching because I will reveal a trick to stand out and make more money. Start taking notes because everything I say in this video cannot be found anywhere else. So let's get straight into the point. Printable flashcards for kids' education. Flashcards are an amazing way for kids to learn stuff by matching the image with the correct word, which can be about shapes, animals, colors, and so on. If you search printable flashcards on Etsy, you will quickly see that there is a huge demand for it, and also a very low competition. A quick look on Google Trends shows us that the product is trending right now. The flashcards are not only for kids' education, there are a ton of different niches for the flashcards. So this one you see here is selling flashcards about animals, and this one is about vegetables, or this one is selling color flashcards. As you can see, the money-making possibilities of this product are infinite, and I'll later show you how to come up with ideas in just a matter of a few clicks. And all these products are getting tons of great reviews, which is a good sign that indicates this product is selling very well. So we can see that this store right here is making around a minimum of 3K a month, and made around 40K since the beginning of the store. Another store is making around 13K a month, and 160K since it started. And the best part is that there is little to no competition in this market, which makes it easier for you to make sales, especially with the trick I will show you later in the video. Let me walk you through the process of creating the product. First of all, you have to start brainstorming good ideas for your flashcards, and to do that there are two ways, and the second one is my personal favorite. The first method is going on Etsy and manually checking your competition's products. So you just check things such as how many cards it includes, what their theme is, the style being used, product descriptions, and so on. After that, go through the reviews and read what they like about the product and what they don't like about the product, because this is where you can learn how to improve your product and customize it towards the customer's liking. Now, the second way is my favorite, which is by automating the brainstorming of the product by using ChatGPT AI. So I asked the AI to give me 10 ideas about flashcards in the animal niche. And as you can see, ChatGPT did a real good job of giving me multiple ideas with a description that explains the idea. So we can now create something with animal names, animal sounds, or even baby animals and so on. Or you can even use ChatGPT to come up with niche ideas for the flashcards. So I really like the baby animals idea, since we saw a good rated listing on Etsy. So what you need to do now is copy the one you like and paste it in the chat. ChatGPT gave us 10 flashcard ideas that we could create. So once you come up with a product idea, you have to transform it into a product, which starts with creating the biggest component of the flashcards, the images. And to do that with AI, you can use Leonardo.ai, which is in my opinion the best AI image generator at the moment in terms of customization options and image quality. Besides that, it's completely free. You can create a free account on Leonardo.ai and you instantly get 150 credits, which you can use to generate tons of AI generated images. I like to keep it simple sometimes and split my prompt into 3 sections: subject, style, and customization. So based on our first ChatGPT answer, the first image would be a dog. So in this case, the prompt subject will be a dog with a puppy. After that, you can choose from a lot of different drawing styles: cartoon style, hand-drawn style, oil painting style, and so on. I think that we should use Disney cartoon style, which will work the best in our case, especially for kids. So now we have a dog with a puppy in Disney cartoon style. The only thing left now is the customization. So in my case, I would like my design to be on a white background because I plan to remove the background later. Other customization options include
colors, lighting, environment, mood,
and more. So now we have the subject, which is a dog with a puppy, the style, which is Disney cartoon style, and the white background for the customization. And as you can see on the screen, here's how the image came out using Leonardo.ai, and I think it looks very professional. So what you need to do now is repeat the process until you finish generating all images. And once you're done, you can move to the most fun part, which is designing the flashcards on Canva. Because if you don't know, Canva is a tool which helps you design printable flashcards for free. Simply head to Google and search for Canva Flashcard Maker. Then click on the first link that pops up. Click on Create a Flashcard. As you can see, Canva provides different flashcard templates you can edit and use. So start by uploading the images you have generated using Leonardo.ai. After that, choose the template you like or think suits your niche. So what you need to do now is replace the illustration and the word label with your own image and text. You can simply drag and drop the image into the template, but as you can see, we need to remove the background. And if you use Canva Background Remover, you notice that you need to have the Pro version. I will show you guys the free method, which works fast and simple. Simply head over to remove.bg and click on the Upload Image button. Select your generated image and boom! Your image has a transparent background. Download the image and return to Canva. In Canva, drag and drop the image, then adjust the size of the image and make it fit the card. And finally, change the word label and repeat the same process until you finish all illustrations. You can also change the card's color or choose another font if you like. At this point, we've created the main card, which includes the AI generated image and the word combined. However, we still need to create two more versions, one with only images and the other with word labels. Once you're done, save the template as a PDF print. And just like that, you've successfully created your printable flashcards. And now, as promised, let me tell you my marketing trick that will help you stand out and make more money. So if you look at our competitors, you'll notice that everyone is pretty much the same. They all provide a bundle of flashcards and that's it. But as I always say, you need to provide extra value to stand out on Etsy. So what you can do is offer something for free, and I believe that providing coloring pages in the same niche as the flashcards is the best option. And to generate the coloring pages, we will again use Leonardo.ai. You can use the prompt you see on the screen. Also, add this prompt to the negative prompt. This will make sure your drawing doesn't look weird. So now, when your customers see that you offer high quality flashcards plus coloring pages as a free offer, trust me, they will not think twice about making the purchase. Because who doesn't like free stuff? This is a well-known marketing technique, and I'm sure you have seen it somewhere when you go shopping. And all you need to do now is keep making different designs and then list them on Etsy to start seeing results. And that was the end of today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please hit the like button and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe.